Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This week I decided to rip a roll of Ektar 100 through my Mamiya 645. I have shot Ektar 100 2 times before, and both times, because of user error, I was not pleased with the results. So I was really antsy to get my hands back into the Ektar pool and try and get some of these really nice saturated shots that everybody's claiming that this film stock produces.
Ooh, days are rushing by. In my younger days, when I was still in school, how I wish I'd had a friend like you. Ooh, days are rushing by. Ooh, days are rushing by. I can still remember days could last forever and forever. Oh my, how things have changed. Ooh, days are rushing by. Ooh, days are rushing by. I was always on the outside looking in. I was dreaming of better days, but not begin. Ooh, days are rushing by. If not for you, this ride would make no sense. Honestly, I'd never have a chance. Days are rushing by. Ooh, days are rushing by. Ooh, days are rushing by. Ooh, days are rushing by.
Alright, so I'm just gonna hop in here really quickly with some thoughts, some things I thought about the video. I just watched it over, and now I'm coming back with my mind. I gotta put the fucking... So the two shots of the water gradient where the sun is setting and I shot the water, like the ripples in the water, bangers, in my opinion. You might have a different opinion. I think they look really sick. I think they're just really pretty and really nice to look at. So those two shots for me made the entire roll worth it. As well, the shot of the sunflowers. Those are like my neighbor down the alley sunflowers, and they happen every year, and I've shot them on different occasions, but this is one of my favorite shots that I've ever gotten from them. So that was cool. The little pumpkin patch at the beginning of the video was really fun. Me and my girlfriend, I was picking her up to hang out with her, and there's these people that live down the street from her, and they always grow pumpkins in their front yard, and it's kind of interesting, so I stopped and wanted to shoot them because fall. Shout out to Graf for going on a little river walk with me. It was fun to shoot the scenery around here and to take some portraits of him. Unfortunately, a handful of the portraits I shot of him didn't really turn out. As is the case when you shoot film, you don't know that you've made a mistake until you develop the role and look back at it. But that's what we're all about. We're about learning from our mistakes and pushing and progressing to go forward. So with that being said, that's it for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'll be back next week with something. I don't know what it'll be, and it might not be on a Monday, but it'll be something. All right, tell your friends you love them. Goodbye.